staying is bad.
And this is better than the New York one that we went to. New York. And at Nintendo Osaka, Lucia.
With the cups as well.
I quite like this chopstick.
It's all the Yoshi eggs.
I love the
cool.
The Yoshi eggs are
So cute.
so cute. Oh look, they got the green one.
It looks so cute and great. Baby Snorlax. Oh,
That's cute.
look at bigger Snorlax.
Daddy wants a bigger one. Daddy wants a bigger one.
Very cute. No, that's not the right Snorlax though. Like, that's the right Snorlax. All the Snorlax. I'm not sure.
You can get photos.
Where are we, Molly?
Pokemon store.
In Pokemon store in Osaka, Japan. Pokemon store in Osaka is really busy. First of all, worth the fight.